Hi, welcome to another video. In this video we will discuss about the paste options in Excel. So I have this sample table here. Let me copy this data and then paste it. But before we copy this data, so if you examine this data, we can see that the data is there, and then I applied some colors like formats, and then number formatting is there, like the dollar sign and the percentage symbol is there, that is called the number formats, and the cell formatting means the colors, and also I applied the borders. So data is there, and also formula is also there in the total column, and also the percentage of total. So formulas there, data there, cell formatting there, and number formatting is there. So let me copy this, and then if I go to the paste option is divided into three categories. One is the paste, then paste values, and other paste options. Let me choose a location and then try the very first one, that is giving me exactly the same data. And the second one is actually giving me the formulas. Just the formulas is there, but no number formats and the cell formatting. The third one giving me the data, then formula and number formatting, and the fourth one keeping the source formatting, and here without borders, and this one keeping the same width. Right now my source data doesn't have any change in the width, so if I change the width, then this will give me exactly the same width. And this one showing the transpose. Transpose means rows in columns and columns in rows. And now I go to the paste values. If I click let me click the paste values. Now you can clearly see that values are there, and if I get the total, in the total there is no formula, they just keep the values. But in here I have the formula, and also we can see the values. But if I want to get rid of the formulas, I must choose this option, paste as values. Okay, let me undo it and then go again, and this option giving me not just the values, this time values and number formatting, like the dollar sign and the percentage sign. Earlier there was no dollar sign or percentage sign. The third one giving me values plus the number format, cell formatting only. Yeah. Now the last option is paste option. Other paste option giving me just a format. This one, there is a link between the source data. That means if I change the source, it will reflect in the paste option also. This one is giving me a picture. Let me click the picture, and this is the picture, and there is an option to save this picture also. Let me undo it. And the last option is same picture but with a link in it. Link means if I change the source like to 150, this will reflect in this picture. So these are the options available in paste options. Thank you for watching.